Okay, in this video I want to show you how to quickly and easily enhance faces using this free tool. So first of all, you should go to this link. I will copy it into the description. Once you're there, you should log into your Google account, and once you have that set up, scroll down and run the first cell. Click run. Click run anyway and wait for it to complete. So the first cell has completed running, and it will be indicated by this green check mark. So once it's done, scroll down to the second cell where you can upload your image that you want to enhance. Click run and then click on choose files. I'm gonna use this image that I generated with AI and click open. Once that's done, scroll down, skip this one, because if you click this one it will overwrite the image that you uploaded, and it will use the default image that this program uses, so please don't use that. Go straight to third, click run, and while it's running you can go straight to the fourth cell and click run again, and while it's running you can keep clicking on cells and click on the final cell, download results, and now we wait. Once it's done enhancing your photo, you will be able to download it. And it's done. That didn't take too much. It was like 15 seconds. And click save. Let's see the results. Here's a restored face, and here's the original one. I think it did a pretty cool job, and this is not exclusive to just AI generations. You can use this tool on any face you like and any photo you like to enhance. So that's it. Subscribe and good luck.